Hi, hello everyone. This is Shanmugaraj. Welcome to my channel. One of the aims of this channel is to create a global knowledge sharing platform in the domains of agile project management and leadership. In those efforts, you would like to join that, please subscribe and share it with your friends and many more people so that it reaches many people. With that, we are continuing our journey in safe. We are discussing about what are the new things in SAFe 6.0, particularly currently on flow based topics. Today's topic is applying 8 flow accelerators in a solution train flow. The fifth flow accelerator is work in smaller batches. Why does it matter for a solution train? Traditionally, large system builders first specify requirements, design and build the system, test it, and release large batches of new functionality. This restricts flow and delays feedback, resulting in added rework, late delivery, and dissatisfied customers. So, what should I do about it as a coach or a value stream manager? There are some options we're going to discuss. The first option could be specify, design, and implement the solution with a small, vertically sliced value increments. Implementing in small batches requires solution train leaders to specify and design the system incrementally. Use PI time boxes to scope new capabilities and exploration activities. The second option could be focus on critical knowledge creation. To reduce batch sizes, focus teams and odds on what they need to learn from the technical market or user acceptance perspective. Then converge on the work necessary to gain the knowledge. The third option could be apply a standard cadence across the solution train. A shared cadence is a forcing function that helps reduce batch sizes for all contributors. Each PI becomes a pull event that gathers small changes to solution elements into an integrated whole for review and feedback. The final option could be optimize the release batch. Traditionally, large systems are built using a single, significant, and essentially one time development effort. Conversely, an agile approach builds the system incrementally, enabling early and frequent releases of value. Releasing frequently adds pressure to optimize the release batch. Institute a fast, reliable release process that ensures compliance, allows limited releases to target specific customer segments, and employs a rollback strategy to avoid service disruption when errors occur. The sixth flow accelerator is reduce queue lengths. Why does it matter for a solution train? Traditional approaches to specifying, designing, and implementing big systems often result in fixed multi year schedules culminating in long, committed queues of unfinished work. These long queues increase wait times for new functionality and inhibit responsiveness to the change. While some degree of long term forecasting and fixed significant milestones will likely remain, these implied queues of big things yet to do must be managed to improve the flow time. So, what should you do about it as a change leader? There are a couple of options we're going to discuss. The first one is replace fixed schedules with a rolling wave roadmaps. Wherever possible, replacing fixed plans with a connected rolling wave roadmaps adds flexibility, and agility to system design and delivery. The solution trains roadmap communicates the high level rolling wave forecast of milestones, dates, and epics that drive connected PI roadmaps for arts and suppliers. So roadmaps must be adjusted frequently as new technologies, users, and business facts emerge. The second option would be apply a set-based design to a fixed milestone. Due to the unexpectedly high cost of change and the need for coordination, some milestone dates will likely be fixed and unchangeable. In this situation, apply set-based design to ensure sufficient flexibility in meeting these objectives. I'll try to put a separate video on set-based design. Seventh flow accelerator is going to be optimize time in the zone. Why does that matter? Large systems have significant scope, complexity, and governance requirements. This creates an environment where arts and teams often spend too much time multiplexing, context switching, and reporting, and too little time building the solution. See, optimizing time in the zone allows practitioners to focus on solution building without interruptions. So, how do we go about it as a change leader or agile coach? Apply sound system and organizational design. The activities of building large system can cause teams to spend too much time and blocked by technical or business concerns outside their skills, purpose, and mission. Instead, design the system and organizational structures with a good separation of concerns, minimize dependencies, and reduce meeting time. This frees the teams to focus on the building their part of the work. The second option could be ensure effective safe events. Ensure art and solution trained PA planning and sync events are productive. Reduce or eliminate extraneous or redundant meetings and manual status reporting activities. The eighth and final flow accelerator is remediate legacy practices and policies. Why does it matter for a solution train? As a result of their scope, cost, and unexpected impact, large solution development activities are highly visible and attract significant governance and oversight. Many of these oversight activities are legacy practices that addressed past problems but now create a new problems that impede flow. So they must be discovered or they should be eliminated or modified or mitigated. What to watch out for legacy practices? How do I identify it? Some of the examples looks like traditional project and program management models such as earned value management, work breakdown structure, and project-based cost accounting placed on top of agile development. Quality and governance organization that force waterfall stage-gauged milestones. Legacy supplier management and contracts that define fixed scope, schedule, and deliverables. Incentivizes the encourage people to optimize building their parts of the system versus focusing on the overall system. Lack of transparency with and across suppliers, hiding critical facts until it's too late to address them. Color of money, politics, or perceived legal concerns that prevent the appropriate training and support for suppliers. Restricted access to end customers needed to validate the solution. Engaging verification and validation and compliance group only at the end. So these are some of the examples of legacy practices and policies. So what we can do about it as a change leader or agile coach? So change agents must constantly watch and recognize these legacy governance rules and practices. In particular, stakeholders in compliance and regulatory functions such as quality, certification, release management may view a lean agile transformation as a risk to their proven approach. So we need to help them obtain the knowledge and information they need to operate successfully in a safe development environment by engaging them early and often. So we have discussed all eight flow accelerators and how do we go about and apply it in solution train. So with that, we have come to the conclusion of this particular video. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please share it across with your friends so that it reaches many people. One thing I understood from YouTube analytics is that people who are seeing my videos, at least 80% have not subscribed so far. So if you don't, please subscribe so that it reaches many people. It helps me to reach my goal as early as possible. So with that, I'm signing off. Take care. Bye bye.